you ever signed a contract you regretted later? There are actually legal ways to escape even from a contract that would otherwise be legally binding if you know how. And in this video, I'll show you 4 legal defenses to the enforcement of a contract. First defense, duress. Someone forced you to sign a contract or threatened you to get you to sign the contract. That contract is no longer binding. Either your signature or your brains are going on this contract. That's duress. And even sign this or you'll be fired might be something called economic duress, which can also work as a valid defense. Second defense, fraud or misrepresentation. The other side lied about important facts, like the seller of the car said there were never any accidents, but the car was actually totaled before. That's fraud. And if you relied on that lie and got hurt by it, you can get out of the contract under the defense of fraud. Third defense, mutual mistake. Both parties were wrong about some basic fact dealing with the contract. That is a valid defense. And it has to be about a fact that's really fundamental to the deal. Like, you both think you're buying a painting, turns out to be just a print. That's mutual mistake, no contract. Fourth defense, unconscionability. This is when the contract is so unfair it shocks the conscience. It usually involves unequal bargaining power and other serious problems with the bargaining process, combined with terrible terms. Payday loans are sometimes voided this way, but courts are usually reluctant to apply this defense. Judges often think that if you made the deal, you should really keep it, even if the deal seems unfair now. So to sum up, duress, fraud, mutual mistake, or unconscionable terms can void the contract, but just having a bad deal isn't enough. Which of these defenses sounds most useful to you? Ever wish you could use one of them? Comment below and follow us for contract law that just makes sense. Not just makes sense. What was it supposed to be? Contract law that actually makes sense.